In the present quick-moving world, we frequently experience different energies that can influence our prosperity. Pessimistic energy, specifically, can be slippery, saturating our lives and influencing our psychological, close to home, and surprisingly, actual well-being. Welcome to our channel, where we'll uncover the key to safeguarding yourself from negative energy and opening a daily existence overflowing with delight, harmony, and overflow. Remember to like and buy in to join our local area of positive energy devotees on this groundbreaking excursion. 2. What is negative energy? Pessimistic energy envelops a scope of feelings and vibrations that channel our essentialness and disturb our internal congruity. It can come from different sources, including unpleasant conditions, poisonous connections, and our own negative contemplations. 3. The effect of negative energy. Pessimistic energy can appear in changed ways, like sensations of nervousness, misery, or touchiness. It can likewise prompt actual side effects like weakness, cerebral pains, and stomach-related issues. After some time, openness to negative energy can debilitate our insusceptible framework and frustrate our capacity to ideally work. 4. Perceiving negative energy. Having the option to perceive negative energy is the most vital phase in safeguarding yourself from its belongings. Focus on how you feel in various circumstances and around specific individuals. Notice any changes in your temperament or energy levels. 5. Negative energy sources. Negative energy can begin from different sources, including 6. Outer conditions. Certain spots might convey pessimistic energy because of previous occasions or the collection of gloomy feelings. Models incorporate swarmed or contaminated regions, work environments with elevated degrees of stress, and areas related with struggle or injury. 7. Harmful connections. Connections with poisonous people can likewise produce pessimistic energy. You'll find that these relationships drain your energy and leave you feeling depleted because they may involve manipulation, criticism, or constant negativity. 8. Internal chaos. Our own feelings and thoughts can be a major source of negative energy. Harping on previous slip-ups, stressing over the future, or taking part in self-analysis can make a pattern of cynicism that influences our general prosperity. 9. Buddhism and negative energy. Buddhism offers significant bits of knowledge and practices for managing negative energy. Vital to Buddhist lessons is the idea of misery, acknowledgement that our encounters are impacted by our viewpoints, words, and activities. 10. The Buddhist concept of the law of karma holds that our actions and intentions have consequences, influencing both our current circumstances and our experiences in the future. Negative contemplations and activities add to negative karma, which can draw in greater pessimism into our lives. 11. The 4 honorable bits of insight. The 4 respectable bits of insight give a structure to understanding and tending to misery. They are 12. The reality of enduring. Recognizing the presence of torment and its different structures, including negative energy and mental pain. 13. The reality of the reason for enduring, distinguishing the underlying drivers of torment, which incorporate connection, revulsion, and obliviousness. Pessimistic energy emerges from gripping to hurtful considerations and feelings. 14. The reality of the finish of enduring perceiving. That enduring can be overwhelmed by tending to its causes and developing positive characteristics like empathy, shrewdness, and care. 15. The Noble Eightfold Path. The truth about the way out of suffering, which offers advice on moral behavior, mental discipline, and wisdom. By following this way, one can lighten experiencing and safeguard oneself negative energy. 16. Developing care is a foundation of Buddhist practice and includes focusing on the present with receptiveness and acknowledgement. By developing care, we can notice pessimistic contemplations and feelings without becoming involved with them, in this way lessening their control over us. 17. Working on adoring thoughtfulness. Cherishing graciousness, metta contemplation, is a training that includes creating sensations of affection, empathy, and generosity towards oneself as well as other people. By developing cherishing thoughtfulness, we can neutralize gloomy feelings like displeasure, hatred, and dread. 18. Letting go of attachments. Because clinging to people, things, or outcomes can cause disappointment and frustration, attachment is the root of much suffering. By relinquishing connections and developing a feeling of separation, we can liberate ourselves from pessimistic energy. 19. Changing negative energy. In Buddhism, there is a confidence in the groundbreaking force of mindfulness and empathy. By carrying careful attention to our negative energy and answering it with empathy and understanding, we can progressively change it into positive energy. 20. End safeguarding yourself from negative energy requires mindfulness, care, and a pledge to developing positive characteristics. By drawing on the lessons and practices of Buddhism, you can explore life's difficulties with more prominent flexibility and inward harmony. In the following piece of this article, we will investigate functional systems for safeguarding yourself from negative energy in your everyday existence. 21. Practical Strategies Part 2. Introduction. In the previous section of this article, we looked at negative energy and how it affects our well-being, as well as Buddhist teachings on how to deal with it and change it. In this segment, we will dig into down-to-earth techniques for shielding yourself from negative energy in your day-to-day routine. 22. Defining limits. Laying out sound limits is fundamental for safeguarding yourself from negative energy. Figure out how to express no to exercises, connections, or circumstances that channel your energy or undermine your prosperity. Focus on taking care of oneself and honor your own necessities. 23. Encircling yourself with inspiration. Search out conditions and connections that elevate and motivate you. Encircle yourself with positive individuals who support your development and prosperity. Make spaces in your home and working environment that are helpful for unwinding, imagination, and energy. 24. Regularly practicing energy cleansing. Scrub your energy field to deliver any collected cynicism. Procedures, for example, smearing with sage, utilizing medicinal balms, or imagining purging light, can assist with filtering your energy and make a feeling of recharging. 25. Establishing methods. Establishing strategies assist you with associating with the world's energy and re-establish harmony to your body and psyche. Invest time in nature, practice shoeless strolling, or take part in exercises like planting or yoga to ground yourself and disperse negative energy. 26. Shielding yourself. Imagine being surrounded by a light or energy shield that keeps your inner peace and repels negativity. Envision this safeguard at whatever point you experience testing circumstances or pessimistic individuals, permitting it to divert any hurtful energies. 27. Practicing gratitude is a potent way to combat negativity, focusing on what you already have rather than what you lack. Take time every day to ponder the things you are thankful for, regardless of how little, and notice how it inspires your mindset and energy. 28. Rehearsing self-sympathy. Be thoughtful and sympathetic towards yourself, particularly during seasons of trouble or battle. Indulge yourself with the very benevolence and understanding that you would propose to a companion, recognizing your own humankind and blemishes. 29. Restricting openness to antagonism. Be aware of the media, discussions, and data you open yourself to, as they can impact your considerations and feelings. Limit your utilization of negative news or web-based entertainment content, and search out wellsprings of motivation and energy, all things considered. 30. Cultivating deliberate speech and conduct. Focus on the words you express and the moves you make, guaranteeing that they line up with your qualities and aims. Avoid gossip and negative speech, and engage in mindful communication with kindness and honesty. 31. Rehearsing absolution. Discharge yourself from the weight of disdain and feelings of resentment by rehearsing absolution towards yourself as well as other people. Clutching outrage or hatred just sustains negative energy, while pardoning takes into consideration mending and development. 32. Embracing temporariness. Recall that all encounters, both positive and negative, are temporary and dependent upon future developments. Knowing that challenging times will pass eventually can help you navigate challenges with greater ease and perspective if you accept the transient nature of life. 33. Looking for help. Feel free to ask for help from companions, family, or a specialist while managing negative energy. Or on the other hand, testing feelings. Offering your battles to others can give solace, viewpoint, and approval. 34. Taking part in profound practices. Investigate profound practices that impact you, like contemplation, petition, or care works out. In the face of negative energy, these practices can help you cultivate inner peace, clarity, and resilience. 35. Developing sympathy for other people. Stretch out sympathy and understanding to other people, perceiving that everybody is facing their own conflicts and battling with their own inward devils. By developing sympathy and empathy, you make a gradually expanding influence of energy and recuperating on the planet. 36. Pondering the immutable. Consider that everything, including negative energy, is fleeting. Negative feelings and thoughts emerge and fade into the vast expanse of awareness in the same way that clouds move through the sky. Permit them to travel every which way without sticking to them or relating to them. 37. Embracing the current second. Anchor yourself right now where genuine harmony and joy dwell. Relinquish laments about the past and stresses over the future, zeroing in rather on completely encountering and valuing the lavishness of life as it unfurls second by second. 38. Offering thanks. Offer thanks for the wealth of favors in your day-to-day existence, regardless of how little. Appreciation holds nothing back from the magnificence and miracle of presence, elevating your spirits and drawing in greater energy into your life. 39. Supporting confidence. Develop a profound feeling of adoration and sympathy for yourself, perceiving your intrinsic worth and deservingness of joy. Indulge yourself with consideration, regard and tenderness, respecting your requirements and supporting your prosperity. 40. In conclusion, maintaining a practice of shielding oneself from negative energy necessitates self-awareness, intention, and self-care. By integrating these useful systems into your day-to-day existence and drawing on the insight of Buddhism, you can develop flexibility, internal harmony, and a feeling of strengthening even with life's difficulties. Recollect that you have the ability to change negative energy into positive development. What's more, to make a daily existence overflowing with bliss, love, and overflow. We appreciate you joining us on this journey to cultivate positivity and shield yourself from negative energy. In the event that you track down esteem in this video, make sure to offer it a go-ahead, buy into our channel, and hit the warning chime to remain refreshed on our most recent substance. Together, how about we keep spreading light and energy on the planet? Keep an open mind until the next time. Remain positive and remain favored. Fare thee well.